Do you often feel bloated after meals? Does acidity wake you up at night? Or maybe constipation has become a part of your daily routine? You are not alone. Millions of people around the world face these digestive problems every day. Most people reach for antacids, laxatives, or digestive tablets, hoping for a quick fix. But here's the truth. These problems are rarely caused by food alone. Instead, our habits, lifestyle, and hidden routines are silently damaging our digestive system. In this video, we are going to reveal the real reasons behind gas, acidity, and constipation and give you a simple, natural, and safe plan to correct them without depending on medicine. And stay until the end, because we will also cover the warning signs you should never ignore, which could indicate serious health problems. What if I told you that your stomach is not weak, your digestion is not broken, and your body is not failing? What if the real problem is something you do every day without even realizing it? Most people treat only the symptoms, not the cause. That's why the problem comes back over and over again. Let's dive in and uncover the hidden causes that no one talks about. Welcome to CareConnect Studio, where we explain medical topics in a simple, easy to understand way so you can make better health choices for yourself and your family. Section 1. The connection between gas, acidity, and constipation. Many people think gas, acidity, and constipation are separate problems. They are not. These three issues are often connected stages of one failing system, your digestive system. Here's how. When digestion slows down, food stays longer in your stomach. This produces excess gas and acid. Over time, slow movement through your intestines causes constipation. The problem with taking medicine is that it only treats the symptom, not the root cause. Gas medicine works for a few hours, but gas keeps coming back. Acidity tablets may require higher doses over time. Laxatives can provide temporary relief, but constipation returns once you stop taking them. Your body is trying to communicate a message, not asking for medicine alone. Section 2. Eating habits. Let's focus on how you eat, not just what you eat. Eating too fast is a major culprit. Food is not chewed properly. Digestive enzymes cannot work effectively. Undigested food produces gas in your stomach. Late-night meals are another hidden problem. Your digestive system slows down at night. Heavy dinners cause acid reflux, incomplete digestion, and constipation in the morning. Overeating is also harmful. Even healthy food becomes unhealthy if you eat too much. An overfilled stomach produces more acid and gas, leading to discomfort. Key takeaway: digestion depends on timing, speed, and portion size, not just the type of food. Section 3. Low fiber and water intake. Fiber is essential for smooth bowel movements. A diet low in fiber leads to hard stools, slow intestinal movement, chronic constipation. Common low-fiber foods include white bread, fast food, processed snacks, excess meat without vegetables. Water intake is equally important. Without enough water, fiber cannot swell properly. Stool becomes dry and hard. Gas and bloating increase. Remember, tea, coffee, and soda do not count as hydration. Your intestines need plain water to function optimally. Section 4. Stress and the gut-brain connection. Your gut has its own nervous system, which is why it's called the second brain. Stress affects digestion in several ways. It increases acid production, leading to heartburn and acidity. It slows down intestinal movement, causing constipation. It worsens bloating and gas, even if you eat correctly. Anxiety often triggers acidity. Depression can lead to constipation. And chronic stress makes your digestive system unpredictable. Takeaway: no medicine alone can fix digestion if stress is not addressed. Section 5. Common mistakes people make. Many people try to fix digestive issues using quick fixes, and this is where mistakes happen. Daily antacids reduce nutrient absorption, cause rebound acidity, mask underlying problems. Daily laxatives make the intestines lazy, prevent natural bowel movements. Painkillers on an empty stomach damage the stomach lining, worsen acidity. Remember, medicines are tools, not solutions. They cannot fix the root cause alone. Section 6. Safe, natural correction plan. Here's how you can correct your digestion naturally. Morning routine. Drink 1 glass of warm water after waking up. Do gentle stretching or a short walk to activate bowel reflexes. Eating habits. Eat slowly and chew properly. Stop eating when 80% full. Avoid overeating, especially at night. Fiber intake. Include vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and seeds. Introduce fiber gradually to avoid gas. Movement. Take a 15-minute walk after meals. Walking stimulates digestion more effectively than medicine. Stress management. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Reduce screen time before bed. Ensure 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Disclaimer: if you have chronic or severe symptoms, always consult a healthcare professional. Section 7. When symptoms are not normal, some warning signs should never be ignored. Blood in stool, black or tar-colored stool, unexplained weight loss, persistent vomiting, severe abdominal pain. These may indicate serious conditions such as ulcers, infections, inflammatory bowel disease, or even cancer. Digestive symptoms are common, but not all are harmless. Section 8. Why medicine alone fails. Medicine works best when combined with lifestyle changes. Without correcting the root cause, dosages increase over time. Dependency develops. Side effects appear. Your body heals when you support it, not fight it. Gas, acidity, and constipation are not punishments. They are messages from your body. Listen to these messages, correct your habits gently, and heal naturally. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to CariConnect Studio for simple, science-based health guidance. Your health decisions today will shape your quality of life tomorrow.